Hey folks, got a Toyota here, Rav4. It's got the steering column controls for the radio. It's not a premium radio, just a plain Jane. And your radio wasn't working. The speakers weren't. There was no sound. Only a little bit of sound coming out of that little tweeters up on top. Very little. So what's the chances of you blowing out those 6.5 speakers, and there's 4 of them? Nah, very rare. So it's got to be the radio. So I pop in this Boss radio, plug it in, wire it up. Still no sound. So you know what? Maybe it is the speaker. So like my daughter said, could be the speakers. So I took the door panel off, jury rigged these 2 wires to an outdoor speaker, and it plays. So yep. 1, 2, 3, 4 speakers blowing at the same time. Very rare, but I guess it happens. Oh well. You live and you learn, right? Alright, so it's got the new radio in there. Just got to find 4 speakers. These are 6.5. We'll have to wire them in too. Alright. That's it. Thanks for watching. Thanks, Rav4. Blow out the speakers. Ciao.